guys, welcome back to another video. I know this video is set up not for YouTube, it's set up for TikTok and Instagram. However, I did not realize how long this video was going to be at its normal speed or even twice sped up. So we're gonna do a voiceover. Just ignore it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lillian. I do videos on makeup, K-pop, and anything random that manages to catch my attention. Today we are doing ASMR unboxing of JB's seasonal Hiatus. Shortly after I think this album dropped, or this season greeting dropped, he announced he was going to be going into the military. So this is what we have. I will say I love the color scheme they went for. The yellow is very bright and it's very comforting and it's very happy, and I think that they did that purposefully. So I didn't know that there was a notebook. I'm going to have to use the translator to see what these prompts are, because I'm pretty sure they're prompts for either art or for writing. So I'm interested to see what it is. Still haven't done it. It's a big book. Like there's a lot of prompts. So maybe I'll write it down. You'll see it on the screen what each of the prompts are. I think that'd be cool. Maybe I'll do that. Then there is also a little dust calendar. And it's really cute. I didn't know what it was at first because clearly looking and trying to figure it out. What would have been nice was if there was a different little pouch inside to keep all the other ones in there. But that's just me. And this is also when I realized that the season greetings is for 2 years, because I go through all of these pictures and then I start over again. So it's really cool that he did it for that long, knowing he was going to be away for that long and was going to be able to drop anything. So he already has it all figured out and set up. I love his darker pictures. Okay, I'm done. His more sultry pictures are great. You can see my hands are geeking out. Then there is a bigger calendar, and I go through these pictures for each month. This is also set up as a 2-year calendar, so it's 2023 and 2024. I think as much as I like the brighter concepts for artists and stuff, I really like a mature look. But then I also love when I see them smiling, because they have warm smiles after the cold looks. I don't know. I just like them. I do. To be the pillow. I will say, this box had actually a lot going on inside of it. And then we have an agenda. I do eventually get really, really sick and tired of going page by page. So here you see me just kind of flipping through, still keeping the ASMR loveliness of this, and just looking for the pages with his pictures, with his photos in it, which is nice. Honestly, for these videos where I don't say anything while I'm doing the things, you will see my hands get really happy. I like men in suits. It's attractive. They make me happy. Although I do love when he smiles and when he's cute. You're gonna hear these little tapping microphone sounds. The placing of the microphone that I was using for this video, clearly not the best place, not the best location. I'm trying to figure out how to best give you ASMR with the clear sound, but I realized that looking back at this video, this is not the place, because you can hear that ding ding, and I'm sorry. This video will just have it. But hopefully for the next videos, we will not have it in there. Amazing thing that I like about Season Greetings, and I kind of wish that more albums had it. I know there are a lot of girl group albums that still do this, and then Monsta X, who still has stickers in their albums. I love stickers, so anytime I get a sticker, I get really happy. Also, this man, a suit. Ooh, no, the smolder. Okay, I'm done. Forgot that this box had a CD, so here's me pleasantly surprised. And here's the photo book that we get with all of the with all of the photos that we see throughout all of the extras or inserts. And I think we do get some additional pictures in this photo book. Happy hands, happy hands. I make myself laugh. Ham in a soup. It's great. I love it. Zero complaints. None whatsoever. Then here we got the track list of what's in the CD. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, join my social media, and until next time, bye.